Hey, I got lucky to be on location this morning, everyone. Hey, everyone, it's Randy with King of Solar Screens, Houston, Texas. I'm on location in Texas City, where I'm here just to give a short tutorial of this bad boy. Sucks a lot of energy, and these little beautiful dark screens will eliminate almost all of that heat that comes through. So that the idea is to have it run half the amount of time using half the amount of energy, which hopefully will save you, the homeowner, at least 20-30% on your electric bill. And when you choose a good quality solar screen, and I'm gonna pick on the top two, Twitchell and Pfeiffer, especially Twitchell, as that's what I am as a distributor for Twitchell. But when you choose one of those two, you can guarantee and be absolutely sure you're gonna have a product that's gonna last for years and years and years. They're gonna look gorgeous, they're gonna look sweet, and they're gonna look sexy. The best part is they're gonna take this and give it a break, saving you tons of money. Solar screens, they're well worth every penny you pay, guaranteed.